Coulomb's universal square law, dielectric constant, and relative permittivity. After that, we find the relation between Coulomb's law and Newton's law. In that one, we have proved that the electrostatic force is 10 to the power of 36 times greater than gravitational force. Now the topic is intensity of electric field. E bar is a symbol, means it is a vector. We can take bar. Now let us take this is the charge Q. Around the charge, it has some influence place. Around the charge, it has some influence place. I am mentioned with the dotted lines. Around it. Up to this dotted line around the charge, it has its influence place. The influence place around the charge is called electric field. Is called electric field. What is an electric field? The influence place around the charge is called electric field. Now, in this electric field, we take charge Q0. What is Q0? Q0 is a unit positive charge. Q0 is a unit positive charge. What is the meaning of that? Its charge is plus 1 coulomb. Now we are taken this unit positive charge in the electric field at distance r. It is a positive charge. It is unit positive charge. So what happened? Repulsion force is experienced on this charge. That is called by intensity of electric field. Now what is the definition of intensity of electric field? Force acts on the unit positive charge in the electric field at that point. It's called intensity of electric field. What is the definition of intensity of electric field? Force acts on unit positive charge in the electric field at that point is called intensity of electric field. It is a vector, so denoted by E bar. So what is the mathematical expression for the intensity of electric field? This is the mathematical expression. E bar is equal to F bar by Q naught. F bar means force. Force is also a vector. So E bar is equal to F bar by Q naught. If it is not a unit positive charge, any charge, so instead of Q naught, what we can write? Q. So as per the definition, this is the equation. Otherwise, you take any charge in the electric field, compulsory force is experienced on it. That force is called intensity of electric field. Intensity of electric field means force acts on the charge, like a unit positive charge in the electric field at that point. We can write this one or this one. These are the mathematical forms. And we have another mathematical form from the inverse square law. You know that law. F is equal to Coulomb's inverse square law. F, Coulomb's inverse square law, 1 by 4 by epsilon naught, Q1 Q2 by r square. Here we have taken 1 by 4 by epsilon naught, Q1 Q2 by r square. Q naught I am taken. What I have taken? Q naught. Okay. In the electric field, this is the electric field. In the electric field, Q1 is equal to how much? Q. Q2 is equal to how much? Q naught. Substitute Q1 as Q. Q2 as Q naught. Already Q naught is there, both are cancelled. So what we can get? E is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q by r square. This is the equation for the intensity of electric field from the inverse square law. This is the equation for the intensity of electric field from the definition. Now, what is the unit for the intensity of electric field? The unit of the intensity of electric field is Newton per Coulomb, or otherwise volt per meter. We can write two units for it. What is the unit for intensity of electric field? Newton per Coulomb or volt per meter. This intensity of electric field also called as strength of electric field. Intensity of electric field is also called strength of electric field. Now, we know that one E is equal to F by Q naught. What is the F? Force. Now, as per the Newton's second law, what is the force F is equal to? MA. M is mass. A is the acceleration. From this we can write A is equal to QE by M. Based on this equation, we have the problems in this chapter under 2 marks question. But how we can get this? What is the A? Acceleration of a charged particle in the electric field. Okay, it is a unit positive charge. It is a unit positive charge. Instead of unit positive charge, any charge is taken. In between them force is present, repulsion force. So it moves away from the field. Away from the field means it is accelerated. What is the equation for the acceleration of a charge lies in the electric field? What is the acceleration of a charged particle lies in the electric field? Equation is A is equal to QE by M. And from that we can calculate the velocity and we can calculate the distance traveled by the charged particle. That relations we will see in the next classes. Okay, is it clear? Once again, intensity of electric field. You should remember this equation, very important. As per the definition, the intensity of electric field equation is E is equal to F by Q naught. Bar is indicates the vector. E is equal to F by Q naught or E is equal to F by Q. This is from the definition. From inverse square law, this is the equation. And what is the unit? Newton per Coulomb per volt per meter. This is one of the important question. Maybe a 2 marks or 4 marks for examination point of view. Yes, all of you record in your notes, and if you have any doubt, and contact to me. We are get the equation of acceleration of a charged particle lies in the electric field. Now, what is the velocity of a charged particle in the electric field? We know the equation of acceleration. Acceleration is called how much? Velocity by time. Velocity by time. Already we know the acceleration equation, QE by M. So you take that here, means time is here. We get the equation V is equal to QE by M into T. What is V? Velocity of charged particle in the electric field. Acceleration is QE by M. Velocity is QE by M into T. Okay. This is the velocity of the charged particle in the electric field. Next, we know the second equation of motion. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Second equation of motion, S is equal to ut plus half at square. If initial velocity is 0, initial velocity symbol is u. If initial velocity u is equal to 0, what is the second equation of motion? S is equal to half at square. But here A is the acceleration, means acceleration of a charged particle in the electric field equation. We know that one QE by M, that I am substituted here. So what we can get? S is equal to half QE by M into T square. What is S now? Distance travelled by charged particle in the electric field. Acceleration of a charged particle in the electric field. Velocity of a charged particle in the electric field. Distance travelled by a charged particle in the electric field. We have 3 equations. These 3 are used while solving the problems. Acceleration of a charged particle in the electric field is QE by M. Velocity of a charged particle in the electric field is QE by m into t. Distance travelled by the charged particle in the electric field is half QE by m into t square. Okay. Now, one of the small topic in this chapter, that is electric dipole moment. Now, first we want to discuss about electric dipole. Di means two poles, one is positive, another one is negative. Positive pole, negative pole. Now, electric dipole means two opposite charges, one is minus, another one is plus. Two opposite charges, plus and minus. Two opposite charges are separated by small distance apart, is called electric dipole. The small distance we can take as which one? 2a. 2a is the convenience form. No need to, why we want to take 2a means that is a condition. Okay. What is 2a? 2a is the distance between the two charges, means opposite charges. Okay. Now, electric dipole moment. Electric dipole means two same magnitude, same value of opposite charges separated by small distance apart is called electric dipole. Now, electric dipole moment, or shortcut we can say dipole moment. Dipole moment symbol is P. What is a dipole moment means? It is a product of charge, distance between the charges. Distance between the charges. What is the charge? Q. What is the distance between the charges? 2a. So, what is the equation for dipole moment? P is equal Q into 2a. This is the equation for dipole moment or electric dipole moment. Q is a charge, 2a is the distance between them. What is the unit of dipole moment? Coulomb into meter. Charge unit is coulomb, distance unit is meter. Coulomb into meter, but not centimeter, it is coulomb into meter. This is the unit of dipole moment. Now, under the electric dipole, it is a small topic, but under the electric dipole we have 4 questions. Each one is important for 4 marks. Under the dipole we have 4 questions. Each one is important for 4 marks. Among these 4, compulsory we will get 1 question in every year in the examination. Maximum from that 4 only we get the equation for the 4 or question for 4 marks. In the next class we will discuss about that topics, and you must be record that clearly and practice why it is important for examination point of view. And before that, and you record this, first you record this